Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda CB400ss. Really nice spec, red and chrome, the black seat as well as the black huggers on the left and right hand side of the tank. Condition wise it's in really good condition, only 12,000 kilometers on, so in around 8,000 miles, 9,000 miles. Front tyre then, it's perfect. Front chrome mudguard is really good, no signs of pitting in it. Very nice front fork, minor signs of aging. Front chrome alloy is in really good condition, as well as the disc here as well. We have the right hand side, the gaiters, no rips or tears. Exhaust then, really good condition, no signs of any real rust on it at all. The engine area is in very good condition. This is a kickstart and electric start engine, which was an extra from the factory. Here's the right hand side hugger, right hand side side panel, original and in immaculate condition. We do have a little bit of this. This is actually a plastic bag that's been taken up and melted onto the exhaust, which can be taken off, and we do have a few scrapes at the rear of the exhaust as well. Swing arms on the right hand side is really good. Top of the seat then, no rips or tears, original Honda. Indicators and brake lights are in real good condition. You have the rear tyre then, really nice, alloy chrome here in good condition also. Onto the left hand side of the bike now. Again, swing arm on the left hand side really good. You do have your pillion pegs, and on the left hand side of the seat here all good. Same with the side panel, a little bit of a mark here on the left hand side panel. Side stand only, the gear stick and the engine area again with your starter motor, and then you have your left hand side hugger and the tank itself. Little bit of a mark here on the top of the tank, if I can show it to you. That one won't show up, so minor. That one there, very minor again. Little one here, and very small stuff, and there's one there. 12,900 kilometers, as you can see. Apart from that, mirrors are good condition as well, nice chrome mirrors match the bike. Front headlamp assembly is good, and the indicators as well. So that's the visual analysis of the bike. We'll now move on to the ride-along video. Alright, we're away on the Honda CB400ss. This is a 2006 model. It only has 12,904 kilometers, so under 10,000 miles, so fresh as a daisy. 2006, like I said, it's 398cc. It's A2 license applicable, so if you haven't seen what licenses are and all, I've done a full detailed video very recently, only last week. Whoopsies, went into neutral last week on all the licenses and what you need to know and so on. But this is an absolutely stunning Honda CB400ss, and they are our most popular 400cc bike that we've ever brought in. My god, this sunflare is bad, can't see a thing. But these are our most popular 400cc bike that we've brought in, by far, and you can see why. It has a really classic, cool, retro look to it, but it has all the modern equipment on it. So the engine's modern. Jeez, I can't see anything. Sorry if I'm driving like a bit of an idiot, but I can't see anything with that sun. And I'll just turn around here. But it's a 5-speed. It's well capable of motorway journey as well, with it being 400cc. It'll tip away at 110, 120 kilometers an hour in the top gear, no problem. Cruising around town then, really good. The fuel capacity is around, I know how much in euros, it's about 12 euros filler. You'll get around, oh god, you'll get around, I usually just do it in, you'll get around 2 weeks of commuting in out of work, out of a tank. So that's all it'll cost you. Insurance wise, you're going to be fairly cheap on insurance. They're very well and very easily insured. Just ring in and say it's a CB400. Now just going to stop here on this left hand side. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to get a thumbnail as well for the video. Then we get into neutral. Here we are.
and I'll show you all the lights working and so on. So before I get off, seat height then, nice and low, easy to get on, easy to get off. No problems if you're a bit shorter, and if you're a bit taller, I'm 6'2" and I fit it on absolutely perfect. So that's what she looks like out on the road. Absolutely stunning little bike. I'm just going to catch a picture here for the YouTube thumbnail. And there we are, HDR, and bang. Does that look perfect? I'll turn on the indicators now, have a look at these indicators. So if you're front left, or right I should say, and your rear right, and then I'll do the left here. There's your left, and your left there, and also I'll show you the high beam here. So that's the high beam. As well as that, your horn and everything is working. Anything else on the bike I need to go over? Not at all. I've gone everything over in the visual analysis on the outside of the bike, but she's a really good looking bike. Colour scheme is really desirable. One of the only ones that we've had in this kind of a reddy maroon colour. I think it really suits it. And it has these really good mirrors on it as well. They're nice and big, very clear, and you get very little vibrations through them. I really like them. I'd actually nearly look up to see what these are like, because they suit the bike perfectly, and they're extremely functional. Brake test then I'll show you here just before we end. So we get up to speed and then brake. So lots of confidence that front brake. The rear brake as well is good. As you can hear, I did a bit of a skid there. But that's it really for this Honda 400ss review. If you have liked it, please do leave a like. Also comment down below on what you think of these bikes, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.